Are you looking to connect with like-minded music lovers on Spotify? In this short tutorial, I will show you exactly how to find and add friends on Spotify, making it easier than ever to discover new music together. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Spotify app and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on your name at the very top. After that, tap on these three little dots next to the edit button. And now you'll see an option called Find Friends. Just tap on it. So in order to find friends, you have to connect your Facebook account with Spotify. So go ahead and tap Connect to Facebook. Once you've done that, all the other people in your Facebook friends list who have also linked their Facebook and Spotify accounts will be shown in the Find Friends section on Spotify. And you can follow anyone you like, and they can also follow you back. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.